Ghana for our portrait, ya say dene. Kenya emrenim for when akwatari wo emrenimu. Poto kasemu ya kase a lawyer for. Entimini anoma. Mumiyam for immigration in seminar and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emrenimu kuku draw for. So what's na hache? Beboa ma wonsa ka won krata. Na se wedi edro nso a eyo mokokokra. Eba ni nipa sitenemu eni adwuma mu nsem bia. Di mu akotene pa. Wo mre di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Ghana
for our portrait, ya say dene. Kenya emrenim for when akwatari wo emrenimu. Poto kasemu ya kase a lawyer for. Entimini anoma. Mumiyam for immigration in seminar and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emrenimu kuku draw for. So what's na hache? Beboa ma wonsa ka won krata. Na se wedi edro nso a eyo mokokokra. Eba ni nipa sitenemu eni adwuma mu nsem bia. Di mu akotene pa. Wo mre di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Station by station. We're land of the nation.
Top Online Radio UK. The top Ghanaian radio in the UK. For no-stop news, views, interviews, and what have you. Tune in to Top Online Radio UK. The more you listen, the better we sound. Top Online Radio, bringing Ghana to the diaspora. Visit toponlinestation.com.
Watch us live on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Download our free radio app from the Play Store and the Apple App Store, or from our website, toponlinestation.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your DJ.
Ghana for our Butria, ya, say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumiam for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomoko, a Bani Passitemu, any Ejimemun Sendia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye. Ghana for our Butria, ya, say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumiam for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomoko Kra, a Bani Passitemu, any Ejimemun Sendia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Ghana for our Putriha, ya, say then, and ya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and caught dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama, Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a Banini Passitnemu, any Ejumemun Sembia, Omudimu Akotanipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
For more Ghanaian content in the UK and around the world, tune in to Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, views, interviews, and what have you. Download our free mobile radio app from the App Store and the Play Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We stream live on Facebook. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome to Legal Matters. This is DJ KB, Top Online Radio UK. I believe you are well. Today is Wednesday. And as usual, it's a ball non-song UK time. The anonymous says it's time for Legal Matters. I am Bania Bisia and Kratasem and Ransom and the coach Chico Bremai. Wisemart Solicitors Adaromanti. Timidis Ubia Aye Crado. We have just 1 hour time no crash say a quote enti send the be no obaswa obetimi bisa any legal question bia opebia fa any topic no ho any legal update emransem ne nkratasem. This is a free legal hour, free legal consultation hour no enti shenon so enti send the be no we are live on YouTube and Facebook as well as on our free mobile app. And also on our website, toponlinestation.com. And then the yen sebre cry into me the lawyer beba na yashe ene jumedina si. Lawyer Francis, welcome to Legal Matters. This is Top Online Radio UK. Now, Wisemart for what to say?
Thank you, DJ KB. Namia Daruma. Bibia dane kwan so onso wase oye hot saying
Nyame adom because bibia dane kwan mu ayobadia daroma bibia dane kwan mu nti edamase so mo bisa right lawyer we de na yeni bre nti obese brekunam ye de ni show nti ye boni tew na yenko yanim DJ Valentine on se ye boni tew DJ baby obi am chiao. Your lawyer, yeah, say you share, legal world, UK. In fact, assembly, they say they update, acquire a constant, almost every time there are updates. The update via about person in Ghana for a channel.
You me that say in Chiakas here a command anywhere T4 near for our Top Online Radio. Say and then so about the Achayan, your usual legal legal matters, legal issues. I have discussed from 7 to 8. Drew on more. Sena Okano. Tembia Home Office, almost a Sunday, be brave in terms of especially immigration. Te also na you feel say your community no ehia pa. Nti do osa na your confession for information no na ya che ya be cheche mu se ne be ya ye nuanom anase ye nkrofo anase obi a wo immigration issues no. Enye immigration pe your family, your employment and other areas of law no ye hobby. But you actually to me so and I say you load the doors no, you bet me a referral to other law firms into what they far issues better yen. Danny day no, you were honomo, you be boamo. Yo, send our kind, yen say, send a update no call from Memuno and Anya Babelande.
Aye.
We will be say lawyer day.
We the lawyer who be Sammy and Kamicha. Who be Sammy and Kamicha. Winquadi. Aye.
I know they were no day.
Aye. I know they. Indra. It's a television. Was and I say, wow.
Exactly.
And you say,
yeah. And it's saying Parliament passes bill declaring Rwanda safe, but can it really be called a law at all? So we question now, we don't know. And then it's saying, yeah, debate here, House of Lords, House of Parliament, UK, Omra, Shebejafono, Eddie share. So, way from Boris Johnson time up to now, say your Prime Minister and Amanababe law, Rishi Sunak.
Yeah.
All because of a sort of winning political point. Or say after months of deadlock, the House of Lords withdrew its opposition to the safety of Rwanda asylum and immigration bill, meaning that it will become law upon receiving royal assent. This legislation declares in UK law that Rwanda is a safe country for the UK to send asylum seekers.
Wow.
Yeshama in some bebree but sena yekano aba beye law inti abeye law sana ebema Prime Minister eni na bedwafo teacher Home Secretary say anyone be obesiki political asylum biano ko start free Rwanda inti ekase ko start free wa uchu mutai obedu UK ana ya 12 de woko inti hono ena yeba akɔhyehyɛ onioma a yɛbɛtie wasɛm decide sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛma political yɛma bisa anaasɛ yɛma sɛ yɛagye watom sɛ ampa woyɛ asylum seekers na ansa na yɛnya de wo firi UK wobɛtɔ UK asase so na yɛde wokɔ Rwanda sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛsa aba no ɛno nso yɛ asɛm. Other views ne feel say enye right say na UK aban edi ombeko Rwanda because some feel say they've breached you can say immigration, you know, they breached human rights law. They've breached it. Anything because I say passing of the safety of Rwanda asylum and immigration bill met with wave of criticism. A month for or more come once and was it the safety of Rwanda asylum and immigration bill successfully completed its progress through Parliament, which is last 2 nights, which is 22nd and then 24th. Into night after the House of Lords eventually relented and let the bill pass. Into my House of Lords, the benefit na no more mu mumpese sa adie we be pass. Or say it is accepted that the bill will receive royal assent, which is 23rd today 24th. Becoming the Safety of Rwanda Asylum and Immigration Act 2024. Prime Minister Rishi Sunak said yesterday, which is 22nd, that the first flight to remove asylum seekers to Rwanda would be in 10 to 12 weeks. 10 to 12 weeks within the 3 months, almost say almost the Rwanda. And there would then be a regular rhythm of multiple flights every month over the summer and beyond until the boats are stopped. Inti Omayan, she says 10 to 12 weeks, Omode Omo say Rwanda nebeko. Now after that, every 1 month be no flight the Omobeko. Till say Omube jai say Omode boat ebenam eposo ababedlu UK.
Wow.
Intuition say the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee, Filippo Grandi, reaffirmed in a statement that the new act would breach international law. Nti ebedu pempenso no, the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee feel say adie we die entasum. Nti definitely omuhu say international law in terms of human rights UK buso ti as time goes on omudi omba kujina court.
Wow.
Enya easy sir was in crofo bebre beba omobetwe ho manso.
Wow.
And that tells you say they feel say sir adie ababeye law UK hano international United Nations human rights feel say no adie UK aban apase no e bin sensem enebe abeba. Because I see 2 United Nations human rights experts warned yesterday that removal to Rwanda would be unlawful and any airlines or aviation regulators facilitating the removals could be complicit in violating internationally protected human rights and court orders. Inti airline a ode no ho bajim se me de me betwe amanfo afri UK ha akọ Rwanda no ono nso no omo file for international law a omo de omo beka ho according to 2 United Nations human rights experts. Inti wa wo bebua ma we nyina akoso bia no ye de wo beka ho na ye beka ne se eden pa but Oma Pase Mrano, Yenshen Yebesi. Over 250 NGOs wrote an open letter to the Prime Minister to express outrage at the new legislation, calling it a shameful and performatively cruel law that will put people seeking safety at grave risks of mental and physical harm. And do you see how the expressions are coming out?
Yeah.
Or more folks where there are 250 NGOs, non-governmental organizations, fighting for human rights. And a mature letter, Akoma Prime Minister said, 1 year careful, Adena war, Adena war pushing. It was it, despite the clear ruling from the Supreme Court, the government is rewriting the facts so they can shrink our responsibilities to refugees.
Okay.
In doing so, the government will break international law and further shatter the UK's commitment to justice and the rule of law. Anka obia huni say UK krono ye dimra so ye dwe nipa ho human rights, rule of law, juma, justice, kroma. But the way moya no, a man for I have a second thought said no. And dear UK buy a pushing on and then send Sembeba, yeah, dear farm would be almost Jomo, just a prime minister in the court for a dear man for farm. And this is where NGOs for assume. This is where human rights experts for assume. Say adia UK abanye no enye. Yenhwe baako bia CEO of the Refugee Council, Enver Solomon, or say the new act was Orwellian and was simply excavate chaos in the asylum system at huge cost to the taxpayer. Oh, baby, oh no, so shard in a free. Oh no, more dream. Oh no, so yes, taxpayers sika was here the yard the panel, yet they call the trimmer so as a salmon for flight in Rwanda.
Because Sikana woman the kitro.
Sana making Wadika. Because Santa Desmosky was saying that the passing of the bill was a national disgrace and leaves a strain on the UK's moral reputation.
Wow.
So harsh words are here used to my UK.
Yes, sir.
So that tells you say no beyond an energy.
Yeah, some of me lawyer with them in Chawano. But I was surprised when I heard it for the first time. Say, UK nipa bawkrum na o process. You know, and say, Omo ambeji omono majemo mo amenye monso monkom krum. Simple as that. Na yen fa womonko Rwanda. And sane ya ko process womo na mo mbe successful no ya san de womo ba. I could just say sika we nyina. To be honest, lawyer, me no, in fact I was surprised, but politicians in our casa. So yeah, what can we say? But hopefully no. To be anyway, lawyer, you to us.
Politicians also na moto abama. Remember?
Yes, you lawyer, and my name say update no you na yonko.
For now no way and financial requirement a new one abba.
Okay.
But no you better that can once because although it looks simple but technicalities kakra wo so you meeting the financial requirement under the spousal visa application, you know, because there are so many technicalities. One year, say you pay all the way to 29,000 since 11th of April, 2024.
Right.
The way application now will sponsor no aim to meet that financial requirement. I'm afraid say application unless what are some specific benefits because they know the reason why or more casa say in terms of say over such an application, they're expecting you to say at least mint me hon so dear. It was say Monday application in
okay.
And almost say me fan chewusa because it was say umiti bibia a friend of financial requirement. Financial requirement, you know, and more che bia no more page muno. What they call Bibia, you say a draconian. But what can we do? Because a brief summary, I say the applicant must provide specified evidence from the sources listed. The specified gross annual income of at least 29,000. And I'll say specified savings of 16,000. So, we use savings are. Our calculations be but that calculations, I don't know, say a quite that calculations, quite can be a woman now, maybe say ye ting one, I say yes, share our a working out, because to be frank, and you're easy. And yeah, easy cry we be say that baby I would because we share such calculations now. My main simple calculation was the income tax threshold plus general financial requirement multiplied by period of leave granted in years. Inti what bomodias ye savings be savings near 16,000 at our account.
Right.
Inti 16,000 at our account mono. Was say yenu plus 29,000, which is the threshold. Multiply by 2.5 no.
Hey.
Now when you answer. Na calculations kakra we no. That means so we meet employment financial requirement now with savings needed, it has to be 88,500.
Wow. So the next
calculations kakra na.
I quite
so that tells you they don't want to say your baby and you don't qualify.
Yeah.
Because why they save with such an amount of money? Ewo Chroma UK.
Wow.
So these are the things, but they all know what they are doing. And I say, I must set a trap. They look at it in such a way, say, Obianwa this time, coming to UK, very so easy. All because the aiming of curbing legal migration numbers to the UK by around 300,000, is what they are working towards it, as announced by the government.
Right.
These are the deterrents. One of them, as they pass the law or make the changes since 11th of April 2024, financial requirement threshold 29,000. Wow. Was it incremental increases are planned at an unspecified time, likely in late 2024.
Wow.
To 34,500.
The hottest DJ.
To 29 by late 2024, about 34,500. And finally to 38,700 in early 2025.
Wow.
That tells you, sir, Abayano, Nenia Bede Papa.
Semu.
Of course, Honon or Shenswa, a bit to me, I deter people from bringing their spouse to UK. But all boils down to say that initially, Rwanda, comments by, is against human rights. Two human rights experts, Etimia Kasema, Abayano said, would 250 NGOs letters to the Prime Minister. Was a media maintain.
Semu. Now, sometimes, say, I don't know, that sort of is a stiff-neckedness be, I don't know, among some politicians. Say, so the policy be bar, now say, even, Sinibu say, this is what I want to promote. He will even put his own career on the line because of just one policy. I have one example. David Cameron did the same thing with Brexit.
Yes, it's true.
Well, you put your whole career on just one policy. I don't understand.
One family. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, one score political points.
To say,
no, any may aid no any side. And no look at the Lucy election at one family. Or didn't you come see the worker say, me, and I'm meeting me a pass is idea with.
And to say, yeah. Then I resign. That is the end of your.
You resign. I know a free so. On family.
I think that is that is one of the difference between politics in the West and politics in other places. Other places, if you want them cry, they are home few cry.
Yes.
Right.
So you see, so that tells you how the politicians behave when it comes to policies.
Right.
Because at the end of the day, only dinner no open. Sir, mitimi say, I'm pan so. Why yes, so Lucy election or Lucy on family.
You want to pass a Rwanda bill?
Yes.
Right. Right, lawyer. I'm saying a time no conti. Will be question on the buy and I'm person me the banner. A T4 will tell me also a question via betty media bar. Now I question ye, lawyer, or say. Me am okay, and no, just me the back program you saw. See, what backroom her, or as a dependent. a skilled worker, health and care as a dependent.
Oh, as a dependent?
Yeah.
Okay.
A dependent of a skilled worker. Na nipa no omumienu nyina wa ha. Man 3 months, from Ghana, say oba kuruma so oba apply for BRP no. Oba January 3 months na the man of Ghana no the buy. The January no the application to move for BRP no. After a buyer expiry date that one year end of August 2024.
Okay.
Enti okay no say me misa say lawyer na ba ne say nim say aja ade nka ye 2.5 quarter 2.5 utie ya 5 years na 8 months there ba ne say na eno so timi ba ne sa lawyer
yo me da say ma analyze nyoma be pre kwa afa de ne waka chairman no. Okay. Then a question So a dependent, what it looks or seems like is, I say, obili do now dinachi.
Yeah.
Nipani 2-step, I was a uzutiem, untimin kosana. Because the entire make say, for all you know, no, the main applicant, bia ne visa no babe spy August,
Okay.
Inti ne visa ne ba expire August ni dia. Definitely the dependent one no nenam.
Okay.
In this case dependent say main applicant dey na expire who dependent automatically and also no be expire.
Right.
Ultimate concern who can say only the be expire August, who the be expire December. No way.
Okay.
In this case be as na home office share no and no man up to that time now the main applicant didn't be expired.
Okay.
And yes, answer offer on track copy through WhatsApp. Now come share the COS. No man share the depend and the main applicant a visa na okutan.
Okay. Okay. Because maybe some muno say main applicant and also not the same date in the room.
Yes.
That,
obviously. If that's the case, first, you best start here with the COS, certificate of sponsorship. Okay. So certificate of sponsorship, a man up to that limit now. Main applicant because dependent to because
right. Now lawyer, Mpacho, sir COS and skilled worker, yet maybe for less than 1 year.
Yes, being is now we are employer now obey through your sponsor licenses Nyoma okika enti ne ma sir. Because do me were juma up to 6 months, me were juma up to 10 months, and do 1 year.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Inti also that's the technicality say woman who fail such an sponsor license application form to the home officer. You have to seek a legal advice.
Okay.
And that's a share because fine, who bet me iron? Baby who expect to send 2 years, 5 years, for sponsor license, COS, money, sir. Unless you explain to convince the home office to grant you that.
Wow.
And of late, they are more serious and careful about that. For the issuing of sponsor licenses. All because people will be coming up, the employer will be coming up and saying, sir, me wa juma or muba mubenya juma. But yebeshemuno nentesa. Because of late, the Home Office task force are serious about certain. Our man for my license back. All because they promise if they are not paying them the minimum wages. We've been paying them. Incentives now because some of them more attachment to their contract, is not forthcoming.
Wow.
Into there are things I'm a home office. I started embarking on a task force to go and check and make sure say they are more guided up there. we employer, you are sticking to the COS guidance, you know. Because most of them, no, to be frank, even they promise themselves, memo 13 hours. Ask them, say, how many for the past 6 months are almost 30 and even been 6 hour shift a day.
Right.
So that makes it a bit difficult, my home office. Because it affects you when you are coming back to renew it. Anyway, yeah.
Right. Lawyer, I don't be see on air topic in say time no call. So checking your digital UK immigration status online through the e-visa system. Lawyer, I'm saying no idea you see eba.
Yes. And you
started. Lawyer, ane chechire na educate about this.
Yo.
Medase.
Yo, Miss Medase. Yeah, sure. Bakwasem kakra DHA ekofa we nyina abaye. From 1st of January 2020, no, applicants who were granted 5 years limited leave to remain started to receive biometric resident permit, those with an expiry date of 31st December 2024. The 1st of January 2020, Corona Home Office in Sakrayeba, Mumu start issue BRP. No? Now, making sure, say, wow, over 5 years, you know, or expiring date in embassy 31st of December 2024. Kebasana no be bisa lawyer after 2024 no dear ben embassy. In the home office, all because of technology and also advancement to make things so easy. So they can even track you and that kind of thing. No? And the coffee away in our buy. Bruni Bekan said digitalization.
Okay.
Did that brought about it now? Sometimes, no, now Faina UK buying a be free Brexit or Babe the Brexit in your man. Internet Faber in UK, you mrano. Limit or more what they have to do. And it gets to a stage we decide say okay, and you free you yeah. That was what it leads to UK buying taking this initiative by making sure say from 1st of January 2025 now, at least people should have created something we call a e-visa.
Okay.
Whereby we no longer need the BRPs any longer.
Right.
Yours is to hold your passport at any border point. They will come out with your names. You have show passport, no need that information now. It will tell them say who on krata wukuma and I say who in krata wukuma, which is will BRP nanka ubekutano. Yeah, the copy be digitalized.
Okay.
The above sana or passport here will priority.
Okay.
And no any better charge you. And I say who renew crana or passport, you know, the know I will say who update UK VI system no account no.
Wow.
Because we are updating now the passport but and I say immigration officer no border and yama obeti maka cho say we overstay a uni krata kwa UK. Inti ya nhyɛ nso so passport na wu a ntɛntɛm ya ko renew wia na wa update wo UK VI say when you can hear dada with your new passport number.
Okay.
Yo, share the new online immigration UK visa now. Or say on 30th October 2023. The online immigration status e-visa guidance was first published. This was updated twice in March and most recently on 17th of April 2024. Introduce you idea when they say I was saying 2024, 2023 October 30th. Now we introduce you e-visa. And no more year changes, updating March and most recently 17th of April 2024. The current guidance no started free 17th of April 2024 to know much about the e-visa. It was in the e-visa guidance outlined further development and steps in the plan to move to online records as opposed to physical documents. That tells you, sir, UK are buying per se or DBBR a core online. That's a ubekuta BRP in a sipono. To the next question is which immigration status documents are being replaced by an e-visa? Because we need to be very careful. So, me de say me kuta wenti me here be ana me here be. Yo, as long as ukuta biometric resident permit, your friend BRP no, I will say we create a visa account.
Okay.
Through UKVI.
Right.
And as long as ukuta biometric resident card, no, I will say we create UKVI account. Obi beka said lawyer na BRP ni BRC difference between BRP you demand on the basis of human rights, family life, no. And a BRC you for dependents, you for family member.
Oh, okay.
Omo and a omukuta BRC.
So biometric residence card
and biometric resident permit.
Okay. All right.
Private life, we have a BRP.
Right.
Partner route, we have a BRP.
Okay.
Parent route, we have a BRP.
Right.
Discretionary leave, we have a BRP.
Right. So only Europe for EU for
yes.
and a BRC.
Yes.
Right. Lawyer, to me, a question very quickly, sir. So after 31st December 2024, what do you get? How will they going to issue visas?
What they are going to do is, that's the reason why from now, sir, ukuta BRC, o passport ya endorso, yede viet na boom, sticker boom, almost say, start to create UKVI account.
Okay.
If you create that account now, over fill it online form with your passport and your immigration status.
Okay.
Into what year we are no jai dia kama UK abang.
All right.
Into any time we are now uko renew application we are no or mobile year update or record on the system.
Okay. Okay.
Into what year visa na wu after 31st of December, what could renew 1st of January. Over normal amount, say, you better send a letter, say, you are granted, but you have a card in Kahun.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You remember why you are aware, say, open BBR for online, echo check it, stages.
Hey,
but definitely, you're going to get a paper decision. You're going to get a paper decision. Intimation, paper decision is important. Wow. We shouldn't throw them away. And also another evidence for your stay in UK here. Especially emails.
I say more lawyer or more complicated with my
So what I mean we will see whether it's complicated or not. Because they are trying to make things so easy and accessible. But beyond your advantages and disadvantages.
Okay.
Obi wa school demo in see order. Obi wa bro know how to even create a use computer and as if or not.
Yeah.
No. I'm for criticizing about that. Now is the government taking it.
And I even later say beti maira. A lot of mails don't get delivered. Beti me atwaya na ama na fe
Anyway, so my next question is what is an e-visa?
Yeah.
The e-visa is an online record of your immigration status. and the conditions of your permission to enter or stay in the UK. Inti se uye yi visa na u create account hona information bia ehyehyɛ in terms of say wo nkrata wo krom ha nkrata na e ama no conditions when the daso. Inti that's the yi visa all about. The yi visa will be used to travel to the UK, and eventually you will not be required to carry a physical document, i.e. BRC. It is important to note that until you have an E visa, you will need to continue to carry your physical document as evidence of your status. Nti from now, no create E visa na koswa kuta ubi RP no till say ube create E visa no, which is through UKVI account.
Okay.
Sisa wunya create ya koswa kuta ubi RP no, but I was say we year before say 31st of December 2024, because from 1st of January 2025 no, they are not going to entertain BRC.
Wow.
Yenshaninsu.
Simon.
Ndushama see the published guidance, which is the E-Visa guidance, records the following apparent benefits of E-Visa. They are secured and
Watch us
cannot be
live
lost.
on Facebook,
Some
YouTube,
advantages
and
of more
TikTok. Download our free radio app
stolen
from the
or
Play Store
tempered
and the
with
Apple App
unlike
Store,
a
or
physical
from our
document.
website,
The reason why I'm
toponlinestation.com.
creating E-Visa, these are the advantages they're talking about. It cannot be stolen, it cannot be lost, tempered with into 7.
Right.
Yeah. And also, you will not need to wait for or collect a physical document after your application is decided. You might still need to provide biometric information in person, and we will tell you if you need to do so. To Shema, these are the advantages of more visa. And also, it will be quicker and easier to prove your status at the UK border and share your status with third parties like employers and landlords. And now, if you have BRP Bani Ascanina, you be able to file soon. Every share code here start eBay and no be a bit on. The one's information here fast in making a decision. Employer and landlords in terms of say that they don't remember and I say memo Jumaye.
And you woman share code now, boy, I know. That's
it. Oh, on Krata now in Krata. A very easier manner. Into the next one is does this need digital system affected my immigration status? Many will be concerned about the current immigration status and the impact the new digital system may have. Into say the guidance confirmed updating your physical documents to an E-Visa does not affect your immigration status or the conditions of your permission to enter or stay in the UK. It's just a transform all the information on the card into the system online. That's the E-Visa all about.
Right.
What is a UK account and why do I need it? Definitely you need it because of the changes coming up.
Right.
That's it. You need to have or to do that. Share code grass 30 is part of it. So they are making the system almost sure they see to be say advantages is more likely compared to the disadvantages. But Bibiano, some number draw conclusion. But as time goes on, they will see the disadvantages side. Yes, and they will start making something about it.
Wow.
Into the first, another question is, what action do I need to take? As we explained, with your BRP or BRC, create an account create an account with a UK VI account. There is a UK VI account contact form. You can fill it online.
Okay.
Yeah. So that will help and see how things are put in place. The future. What's the future in this e-visa? There have been many arguments advanced in favor of digital signatures. They feel say fast and reliable. It detects, it's not going to be tempered and that kind of thing. Stolen, lost, and that kind of thing. They look at it advantages. But let's continue. And they look at it it's a favors of digital signatures, including efficiency, convenience, security, reduction of errors. Do you believe that?
Somehow, to some extent, because I kind of saying sometimes the human factor, say if they have to verify your ID manually, some errors could occur. Sibia Nipano or Shemu, I don't know. I think it's about a human factor. Say, the human factor and error.
Human factor. Bear in mind, the same human factor no na input to the digital, But they are entitled to express their opinion. Let's see. So I say UK VI launched a digital system in 2018 to coincide with those holding permission under the EU settlement scheme. There were reported difficulties at the time by many individuals and through organizations and watchdogs. Many of the difficulties faced by individuals were reported in the media. Of course, further difficulties are likely to be experienced by those unable to create an account and therefore rendered unable to prove their status. Concerns have been raised about those individuals who are limited in accessing the system by not having the necessary English language skills, computer literacy, and access to the needed technology. Many organizations and watchdogs continue to call upon the government to make allowances for the use of physical proof of immigration status. If not, individuals are forced into a position where they are unable to prove their status with the significance inevitable consequences. Someone with disadvantages America was.
Yeah.
That's what many organizations, watchdogs, and experts say no. I was say abani ya mubibi. Obi a wanted brofo, obi a winning the echo. Debe mwana brofo abani ye edi abua. Indeed, that's what I said. We have the advantages and disadvantages.
Right, lawyer. Maybe a question we that yen twaso. I'm say a time no crasso. It's about I'll say what is the name of the website? I think it's about the e-visa to setting up accounts.
Yeah, to open an account, you have to go to UKVI.
UKVI, okay.
Yeah. Until you Google UKVI account, sign in. If you're a new member, you just create an account.
Oh, okay. So, and your home office website?
A home office website, but that's how they created it.
Oh, okay. UKVI.
In the over to I can say UKVI registration.
Okay, oh, Google. Sorry.
UKVI account registration.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Okay. Your lawyer, I'm saying we have 4 minutes. Okay. ABC managing on
fire contact network now.
Okay.
What you made them, yeah.
All right. For lawyer Francis, more contact information is on your screen at the moment. And the lawyer, Bibi episode be chat to na 4 minutes na yemi.
Yo, there we a chat one is who are immigration issues and I say who are legal issues you're very, very careful because the young one is all the time no we even the lawyers all the time we have to update ourselves and make sure current issues are called by and I say yenim because a very young sell back your application over share now you see a chum and I say for metrum over share say what picking the wrong application. Once over say oh me be 2-3 years ago yeah we been a year we been a father year Mr. Mo current immigration trend cause changes no and DJ KB Eka no SSA left and right.
All the time, every now and then.
SSA all the time. That's the right word. Ntiabasana one year. Wofu so 6 months ago, Namra we minim. Bear in mind, when him say coming June, changes be baso.
They said yeah, every month we are
say in America no. Yes, about a month to crumble. First now ye jina o step child so there they don't know.
Yeah.
Could you believe sir is changing at the moment? From June as
wow.
You can't use step
step child.
Step parents and be now colani so they grant you. Timisha mo amanya bi sesi an mo me anya ansana June aba.
Right. Right.
Advice I made bema enuanum. Why?
Yo, that's Lawyer Francis in the tip for
Yo.
Wisemart for contact information is on your screen at the moment. More Unit 8, the Print House, 18 to 22 Ashrin Street, Dalston, London, E8 3 Delta Lima. More office number here 0208 016 5384. I repeat 0208 016 5384. Lawyer Francis Mohune in the number so 07946 772 439. That is 07946 772 439. One more emergency number 07931 411 042. Now, if we make an emergency number, I'm interested in we legal emergency. I need a 24/7 number. And anytime member free beyond as I say or more answer. That is the number 07931 411 042. Uhuaka Jamu Bebino, for instance, Unipa be free Ghana ba airport on Basomo Santaniko Ghana. Call the emergency number 07931 411 042. Na ene omo eninkomo. Right, at for I believe, sir, you've been blessed with the program. This program comes your way every Wednesday. But you have just a beer from next week Wednesday, no. But until further notice, no, it's the same time, same station, top online.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokasemu, yakase a lawyer for Entiminiano, Mumian for immigration in seminar and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, Emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Drone Sua, a Yomoko Kra, a Banini Passitnemu, any Ejumemun Sembia, Omudimu Akotenepa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountants. Certified accountants. Certified accountants.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a medical driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a bring accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who you actually? It didn't make for certified accountant at the Yamawo. F accounts and tax returns. Company accounts. Bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 movement engineer, certified accountants, safer tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And if you watch company or Chiwakasa, now what the hotel bro, what is the Capudio Subabro no Bushian, certified accountants. Say about transfer from the dia, what 20 construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and then one we are Juma, our temporary workplaces in India, Monfrano, no one is Capudio Mom. Media the American say HMRC4 at the Cabra work, what me wow, it came and yes. What is address 160 London Road, Barking, IG11 8BB. Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Mehuma mehua chame. Mudim puntio abba meduma yuma.
This is Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian radio station in the UK. Hailing from the eastern corridors of London, we bring you news, views, music, interviews, trending issues, and what have you. Tune in to us 24/7 on our free mobile radio app. Download our free app from the Play Store and the App Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. Download the free mobile app and tune in to us 24/7. We stream our programs live on Facebook and YouTube. Just find us on YouTube and Facebook by searching for Top Online Radio UK. We welcome your views, comments, critiques, suggestions, etc. Just get in touch on our station line 079 029 44398. That's 079 029 44398. If you are interested in working with us as a radio presenter, a radio host, or a radio panelist, do get in touch and let's talk. Call us on 079 029 44398. If you want to advertise on our radio, just get in touch and let's talk. 079 029 44398. If you want to sponsor any